Hey there, car enthusiasts. Karma Guy here, and I've got an unbeatable deal for you. Check out this ride with crazy low miles, only 32,000. That's right, just 32K. This vehicle has been recently serviced with a brand new radiator and spark plugs, so you know it's ready to hit the road without a hitch. It's also dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. That means you can drive with peace of mind. And here's the kicker. We offer a fantastic 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy it today. Plus, be sure to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option, because who doesn't love extra protection? This beauty also meets current Georgia state emissions standards, so you can drive it confidently and responsibly. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Come see me today and take this low mileage gem for a spin. Trust me, you won't regret it. Your next adventure is waiting. Let's get you behind the wheel.